सुरेश आप म्यूट पे हो, अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को।
ठीक है मैम।
हाँ, अभी आपकी आवाज आ रही है। नाउ कैन यू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ बिफोर वी स्टार्ट?
Yeah, my name is Suresh Sharma, and I'm from Haryana, India.
Hmm. And then like your qualifications and what you do
Um,
or what you have done.
yeah, I did a BTech in electronic communication, and as well as I did my MTech from Punjab Engineering University, Technical University, Chandigarh.
Okay. And why do you want to learn German?
Basically, my purpose is going to German for further study. I also applied for MBA in a college, but still I'm waiting for their offer letter and some other things that was very necessary for.
ओके ओके ग्रेट। सो मैंने जैसे आपको पहले बताया था, हमने एक क्लास हमने कर ली है, मैं उसका वीडियो आपको दे दूंगी, वो आप देख लेना। और आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे थोड़ा सा और हम इंट्रोड्यूस कैसे करते हैं अपने आप को। तो टुडे वी वुड बी लर्निंग हाउ वी इंट्रोड्यूस आवरसेल्फ एंड सम मोर basic sentences in German, and tomorrow onwards, like next class onwards, we would start focusing on grammar part also. So I'm sharing my screen with you guys and whatever I would be saying, please speak it after me to make the pronunciation clear. My screen is visible to everyone, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. So let's start. Some of the words would be very familiar to Angie and Rachel as we did already in the first class. But let's start it from here again. Hello, that is hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Herzlichen Willkommen, that means most welcome or cordially welcome. Herzlichen Willkommen.
Herzlichen Willkommen.
Yes.
Willkommen.
Willkommen, that means welcome. Herzlichen.
Herzlichen Willkommen.
Willkommen.
Yes. Herzlichen Willkommen. Dann wie geht's?
Wie geht's?
Wie geht's? As in
Wie
how-
geht's? Hallo, wie geht's? Wie geht's?
Then guten Morgen, that means good morning.
Guten
Guten
Morgen.
Morgen.
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag.
Guten
Guten
Tag.
Tag.
Guten Abend.
Guten Abend.
Guten Abend.
Gute Nacht.
Gute Nacht.
Guten Nacht.
Vielen Dank or
Vielen Dank.
Danke.
Vielen Dank.
Dank.
Vielen Dank.
Vielen Dank.
Vielen Dank.
Or
Danke.
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 So Suresh, that is not vielen, that is vielen. In German, we
Vielen.
have f sound. So vielen Dank. That means thank you very much.
We is pronounced as a C.
F.
For.
F.
For.
F.
Vielen Dank.
Feeling. Okay. Like feelings.
Yes.
Yeah.
Vielen
Vielen Dank.
Dank. Vielen Dank.
Ich danke Ihnen.
Ich
Ich
danke
danke Ihnen.
Ihnen.
That means I
Ich.
thank you.
I thank you.
Then tschüss, bis
Tschüss.
dann. Goodbye.
Bis
See you
dann.
next time.
Tschüss, bis dann. Tschüss. Tschüss.
Then let's forget this. Nummer 11, number 11. Let's skip this as of now. Nummer 12, number 12. Es freut mich. Nice to meet you.
Es
Es
freut mich.
Freut mich. Nice
So
to
Es
meet
freut
you.
mich.
Yes. So when you meet somebody, you said, "Hallo, wie geht's? Es freut mich. Hello, how are you? Nice to meet you. Es freut mich."
Es freut
Es
mich.
freut mich.
Then
Es freut mich.
Entschuldigung, aber ich verstehe das nicht. Entschuldigung, that means excuse me or I am sorry. Entschuldigung.
Entschuldigung,
Entschuldigung, aber
ich verstehe das nicht.
Yes.
Verstehe
Ma'am,
das.
ma'am, ma'am, please pronounce the first word again.
Ent.
Ent.
Okay, I'm just breaking it down and then try to pronounce it. Entschuldigung.
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 Entschuldigung. Aber ich
Verstehe.
verstehe das nicht.
Verstehe. Das nicht.
It's nicht or nicht?
Nicht. Nicht.
Nicht.
Nicht.
ठीक है.
Entschuldigung, aber ich verstehe das nicht. So let's say I am explaining any grammar topic to you and you are not able to understand that, then you can tell me Entschuldigung, aber ich verstehe das nicht.
Aber-
I'm sorry, but I did
aber-
not understand that.
Aber ich verstehe
Verstehe
das
das
nicht.
nicht.
Das nicht.
Aber.
Then,
ich-
Nummer 14. Ich
Aha.
spreche ein wenig Deutsch. I
Deutsch.
speak little bit of German, not that is Deutsch.
Deutsch.
Spreche.
Deutsch.
Deutsch.
Ich
Spreche
spreche ein wenig Deutsch.
मैम
Wenig.
बाद में श आएगा या खाली च आएगा?
Deutsch. Ch.
Deutsch. च आएगा खाली.
Deutsch.
Yes.
Deutsch.
Ich
Spre-
spreche
Ich-
in
Ein.
ein. Okay, ein है ये. Okay, ein.
Ein.
Ich spreche ein. And next
Wenig.
is
Wenig.
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 Deutsch.
Wenig
Deutsch.
Deutsch.
Ein
Deutsch.
wenig.
Ich-
Ein wenig means little bit. थोड़ा थोड़ा.
थोड़ा थोड़ा. ठीक है.
Ich spreche ein wenig Deutsch. Ein wenig Deutsch. I speak little bit of German. Then Nummer 15, number 15 here. That is Können Sie das bitte wiederholen?
Können Sie das bitte
Können
wiederholen?
Wiederholen.
Können.
Können means could.
können.
Please. Bitte means please. And
Please.
wiederholen means to repeat.
Können Sie,
Say again.
können Sie
Das.
das bitte wiederholen?
Wiederholen.
So if something which is not clear to you or any specific topic which you want me to repeat,
Bitte
you can tell me Können Sie das bitte wiederholen?
wiederholen. Could you say that again, please?
Right.
Können die.
Können Sie
Sie, na?
Können Sie,
Sie.
das bitte wiederholen?
can you say that?
Können Sie das
Bitte wiederholen.
wiederholen?
Können Sie das bitte wiederholen?
Hmm.
You say
Können,
that
können,
again, please.
können Sie,
Please say that.
Sie, können Sie.
So Suresh, you don't have to note down each and everything. I would be sharing this sheet with you guys. I'll put this sheet in your
Können Sie,
folder. So until and unless which is like very important, don't spend time noting it down.
Yeah, we need to focus on the screen.
Okay. Nummer 16, number 16, wie bitte. What?
wie
Pardon.
bitte,
Wie bitte.
wie bitte,
Wie bitte?
wie bitte, wie bitte, wie bitte.
What, pardon me.
So if something is not clear to you, you always ask now, what?
What?
Come again,
Pardon me.
say it again. So, wie bitte. Pardon me,
Wie
wie
bitte,
bitte.
wie bitte,
Wie bitte.
wie bitte.
Nummer 17, number 17, Frau
Frau.
Neha, ich habe eine Frage. If you have a question for me, then you can always say Frau Neha, ich habe eine Frage. Frau means miss.
Miss.
Habe
Frau Neha, ich habe eine Frage.
eine
Eine Frage.
Frage.
Yes.
eine,
Eine.
I know.
eine, no.
I know.
Eine.
Ich habe eine Frage.
Eine.
I have a question. Frage
Frau
means question.
eine,
Frau Neha, ich habe eine Frage.
Frau Angie.
Yes. Frau Angie. After Herr
Ich
Sharma.
habe eine Frage.
Herr Sharma. So for Mr. we write Herr.
Herr
For Miss we write
Herr
Frau. Herr Sharma.
Sharma.
Frau Neha.
Herr
Frau
Sharma.
Angie.
Ich
Frau
habe
Resch.
eine Frage.
Yes. Okay. Now
मैम हर जो आपने अभी लिखा शर्मा जी, हर मिस्टर का यूज कर रहे हैं हम लोग?
not her, hair. That is
Hair.
Dara.
Hair.
Hair means
Hair.
Mr.
Herr.
Hair.
Mr. Hair.
Hair.
Okay. Frau Neha, ich habe eine Frage.
Nummer 19. Number 19. Schreiben Sie das bitte. Please write that. Schreiben means to write.
Schreiben.
Schreiben Sie das bitte.
Schreiben Sie das bitte.
Please write that.
Schreiben. Schreiben.
Schreiben Sie das bitte.
Bitte.
Please write
Das
that.
bitte.
Please write that.
Schreiben. Schrei.
Schreiben.
Nummer 20. Was bedeutet das? What does that mean?
Was bedeutet
Was
das?
Bedeu.
Bedeuten
Bedeu.
is the verb here that means to mean something. And that has been conjugated here. So the main verb, our main verb is bedeuten. That means to mean.
Bedeuten. And this is bedeute.
Bedeutet.
Bedeutet.
That is conjugated as per the pronoun. This is something we would learn tomorrow. Grammar we would start tomorrow. So this would be clear why it is bedeutet and why it is bedeuten. So in the sentence you would put was bedeutet.
Was bedeutet das?
Was bedeutet das?
Yes.
Was.
Does
Was
that
bedeutet das?
Das.
das.
Could you please repeat it? That or
Das.
das? Okay, das.
Was bedeutet das?
This was. This W is
We
pronounced
will pronounce
as
as was.
Was. That
Was.
means
was.
what?
V.
Yes.
Like V.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So W has V sound and V
Okay.
has
Or
first sound.
bedeute. Bedeutet.
Bedeutet.
Was bedeutet das?
Yes. Now,
Okay.
Nummer 21. Number 21. Sprechen Sie English? Do you speak English?
Oh,
Sprechen Sie English?
Sprechen Sie
Sie.
English, Deutsch,
Deutsch,
Französisch,
Yes.
Huh?
Do you
French.
speak English, German, and French?
Sprechen Sie English, Deutsch, Französisch.
So that is a question, like I'm asking you, sprechen Sie Deutsch? Do you speak German? And then you can say, Ich
spreche ein wenig Deutsch.
Yes. Then
जी मैम इसको जी बोलते हैं ना? Sprechen Sie.
Z. Yes, that means आप. Z with capital S.
English.
That means आप.
Sprechen Sie English.
Yes, English, not English, English.
English.
Yes.
Okay. और आगे Deutsch है?
Deutsch.
Deutsch.
That means German.
And
then Französisch. That means English. Then number 22. Number 22. Es tut mir leid. I am sorry.
Es tut mir leid.
Es tut mir leid.
Leid. Es tut mir leid. Nummer 23. Number 23. Ich weiß
nicht.
I don't know.
Nicht. Angie, say it. Nicht.
Nish.
Nish.
Nicht. Ni.
Nicht.
Sh. T.
Nish.
Nicht.
Nicht.
Nish.
Ish.
Ich
Wise.
weiß. Ich weiß.
Nicht.
Nicht.
Nish. Nish. Nish.
So Suresh, the
Niche.
beta sign you're seeing here, na, that means double S. That is a special character in German. That means double S.
जो बीटा
Ish.
बना हुआ है यहाँ पे.
Yes.
Wise.
As
That
Z.
Nish. Nish.
Double S.
Nish. Nish.
Ich weiß nicht.
Ich weiß nicht.
Nish. Nish.
Then the next one, alles in Ordnung. All okay. Everything is all right. Let's say
Alles
you're
in Ordnung.
Alice in Ordnung.
That means everything is okay or in order. Ordnung is as in order. Order not like to give order to somebody, but everything like order as in
In a
like
series,
something
in a
which is meant to
series
be.
or in a
Yes. In a particular
Alles
thing.
in Ordnung. Ordnung.
Alles in Ordnung is everything.
Alles in
Okay.
Ordnung.
Then marked nichts.
Markt.
Mark
Nish.
Nish.
Never mind. Or that does not matter to me.
macht nicht.
Nish.
मैम यहाँ पे क्या फर्क, what is the difference between NICHT and NICHTS?
So nicht means
Marked.
not and
Nicht.
nicht means nothing.
Nichts mean nothing.
I'm just writing it here. Nicht means not and nichts means
Means nothing.
nothing.
Okay.
Nish. Wise.
Okay.
Nicht. Nicht. Markt.
Marked
Nicht.
nicht.
Markt. Nicht.
Never mind.
Macht
And-
nicht.
Yes, never mind.
Markt nicht. Nicht.
Yes. Now, one very important thing when you're trying to learn a new language, not just German or any other language, don't try to compare the translation or the meaning with English, because each language has its own nuances or own way to communicate the message. So never try to do word to word translation. While learning German, never try to do word to word translation that why this means that. In English, we write it like this. So each language has its own style. If you would go for word to word translation, you'll end up making a lot of mistakes.
Okay.
Nicht.
Next one.
Ich habe keine Ahnung.
Kein.
Ich habe keine Ahnung. I have no idea. Ahnung means idea.
Idea.
Ich habe keine
Eine
Ahnung.
Ahnung.
I have no idea.
Ich habe
Habe keine Ahnung. I have no idea.
Nummer 27, number 27. Ich habe das
Ah.
vergessen.
Ich habe das vergessen.
Yes, I
Ich
forgot that.
habe-
Or I forgot that.
Vergessen.
Ich habe das
Vergessen.
vergessen.
Vergessen is forget.
Yes,
Yes.
vergessen. That means to forget. Nummer 28. Keine Angst. Don't worry or no issue.
Keine Angst.
Habe.
Keine Angst.
Angst means worry.
Worry.
Vergessen. Angst.
Nummer 30. Das ist mir egal. It doesn't matter to me or I don't care.
Das macht
Das ist mir egal.
Number 30, Angie, not 29. I'll skip this one. Number
Okay. Das ist mir
Das
Ist
egal.
mir egal.
Das ist mir egal.
egal, not eagle, egal.
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 Egal. Ist
Das ist
Mir.
mir egal.
egal. I don't care.
Was ist los? What
Was
happened?
ist los?
Was
What's
ist
the matter?
los?
What happened?
Was ist los?
Like you have combined this also. Let's say you are meeting your friend and he or she seems little stressed or anxious. Maybe you can ask, was ist los?
Was ist los?
Alles in Ordnung. What happened? Is everything all right? So you can combine these two phrases also. Was ist los? Alles in Ordnung? Is everything okay?
Alles in Ordnung.
Then there is
Was ist los? Es gibt.
So
Es
like
gibt.
in English also, in Hindi also, and in like most of the languages, we make a lot of sentences with there is. There is something I have to tell you. There is something I have did wrong, or there is something which I have found. So there is. For there is, we write es gibt.
Es gibt.
Es gibt. Es gibt.
There are, there is.
Then natürlich.
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 Gerne.
Natürlich.
Gerne. When you do something very gladly or happily, then you always say gerne. If somebody is telling you
Gerne.
something, let's say, okay, let's say Angie likes pizza a lot and I am offering her to eat pizza, then she would be saying gerne. Yeah, glad.
Gerne.
I would love to have.
Gerne.
Gerne.
And
Gerne.
natürlich means of course or naturally. Or
Natürlich.
obviously.
Natürlich. Alles klar. Alles in
Alles klar. Clear.
All
Alles klar.
Alles klar.
Alles klar.
Alles klar.
So this is something I would be keep on repeating many times during the class. Whenever I would be explaining any topic, I'll always asking alles klar, alles klar, alles klar. That means all clear. Did you understand that? And then
Alles
you
klar,
have to say
alles
ja oder nein.
Ja.
Yes or no.
Ja.
Ja, order nein.
Other.
Ja oder nein. So Suresh, this is not ja, this is ya. J has
Yeah.
sound. Ya.
J is sound as a ya. V is sound ya of f.
Yes, yes.
Order
जब
nein.
आपको
ठीक है.
जब आपको अल्फाबेट्स देखोगे ना तब आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा.
Ja, order nein.
Ja oder nein. Yes or no. Alles klar?
Ja.
Okay.
Order nein. Order nein.
Yeah, only yes or no.
Yeah.
Both cannot. You cannot.
Okay.
Yeah.
There are some word
I'm
meanings.
practicing, no?
Yes, that is very nice. So there are some of the words which I have mentioned in the sheet. You can refer to it later. Now, let's see how we introduce ourselves in job. Sich vorstellen. To introduce yourself, that means sich vorstellen.
Sich
This
vorstellen.
porcelain.
Sich.
Production.
Sich. Sich. Sich
Vorstellen.
vorstellen.
So now, when you guys introduce yourself, what all information do you give? You say your name, your age, where you come from, where you live, your address, your profession, what all languages you speak, and then your hobbies. So these all are the information which you give. So now, when I would be introducing myself, I would be saying Ich bin, I am, or Ich heiße, or
Ich
mein
heiße.
Name ist. I am called, or my name is. So mein Name ist Neha. Speak the sentence for yourself.
मैम ये बाद में
My
नोट्स मिलेंगे
Mine
इसके?
name is
name
Rachel.
is.
What are you asking, Suresh?
I'm just asking, you will provide the notes after the
Yes,
class or
yes, yes. You'll have the sheets. Whatever
Should I-
sheets you will be seeing in the class, you will have it later.
should I note down these words or not?
Whatever it is here already in the sheet, don't note it down. But if you want to make notes as per your convenience during the class, you can do that.
Okay.
So ich bin, that means I am. I am Neha. Ich bin Neha. Oder ich heiße Neha. Ich heiße, that means I
I
am
am
called.
called.
Then mein Name is.
My name is.
One and the same thing. So ich bin Neha. Speak the same sentence for yourself, everyone.
Ich bin Rachel.
Hmm?
Ich bin Highway.
Heiße, that is double S.
Heiße.
Heiße Rachel.
Mein Name ist.
Mein Name
Mein
ist.
Name ist.
Mein Name ist.
Then your age. Ich bin 30
Ich bin.
Jahre alt.
Ich bin. Ich bin.
Ich bin.
I am this much year old. So I am age and then Jahre alt. Years old.
Bin 33 Jahre alt.
Then Angie?
Ich bin. I need to tell my age.
Okay, that is fine. Don't say.
No problem.
Okay.
Fine problem.
Jahre.
Jahre.
Ich bin Jahre.
Yeah.
Jahre. Ayasa. Okay. Jahre.
What is the meaning of alt?
Old.
Accent.
Alt.
I know. 18 is. 18, no?
Then der Herkunft. Herkunft bedeutet, Herkunft means origin, where you come from.
Herkunft.
Der Herkunft.
Der Herkunft.
Or ich komme.
Ich komme aus.
Komme aus
Aus.
Yen. Oder
doubt है
Ich komme.
what is the doubt?
मैम जहाँ पे हम लोग नेम यूज कर रहे हैं DER यूज कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे we are using DER when we pronounce name.
Der Name. Okay. So these, der, das oder die, these are the articles in German. These.
Okay.
So in German there are 3 articles basically which are distinguished basis their gender. Der is for masculine, die is for feminine, and das is for neutral. So each German word, each German noun, they have their article.
Okay.
Der, die oder das. Now
they have a gender.
Is for masculine, D is for feminine, and das is for neutral. Now
neutral क्या मतलब जो
neutral something which does not have any gender.
ऐसा जर्मन में ही है इंग्लिश में तो नहीं है मैम ऐसा कुछ भी.
That's what I'm saying, don't compare two languages.
Okay.
So now when you have to define the gender between the like these 3 for living people, it's very easy. Like for Suresh we can say he is masculine, for Neha we can say it's feminine, but in German there are genders for non-living things also. Like each non-living thing, maybe table, chair, laptop, phone, everything is divided as per their the das, and what is the logic behind that, that is nobody knows. It's just that this is the trickiest thing in learning German, that for each noun you have to learn the article for that particular noun.
You have to memorize it by heart.
Yes. Now there are some tricks through which you can distinguish.
Yeah.
But this is something we would be doing after few classes. So once you are little aware of how this language works, then we can work on that.
Okay.
So is this clear, Suresh?
Yeah, now it's clear.
Alles klar.
So एक बार, but just tell me the what we should use when we use when there is a mask, semi or neutral. Means अगर mask होगा तो हमने DER use करना है वहाँ पे der use करना है.
Feminine and neutral. Der, die and das.
इसका बता दो. Just write down the articles. What we should write.
These are the articles. These are the German articles. Der, die, das. Der is used for masculine. Die is used for feminine. And das is used for neutral.
मैम वही तो पूछ रहा हूँ आर्टिकल कौन सा यूज करेंगे इनके आगे मस्कुलिन के लिए आगे
देयर
आगे देयर के देयर
देयर feminine die and then for neutral das. Clear?
अब clear है.
Okay. So now their hair combs, the origin. Ish, comma,
There.
aus, Indian. I come from India.
India, Indonesia जो भी है.
India is Indian.
Philippine.
Filipino. Their hair comes.
Ish, comma, ash,
Ish,
Aus.
aus,
aus,
Filipino.
aus,
Aus.
aus. Ish, comma, aus, Indian.
Hmm. Comma aus Indian, or Angie or Rachel would say ish, comma aus Philippinen. Oder Deutschland. Ish, comma aus Deutschland. Deutschland means Germany.
There.
Ish,
That's
comma
there.
aus Mann.
That's good.
Then there Wohnort. Or maybe you can say, instead of saying I come from India, you can also say I am Indian, or I am German, or I am Philippines. Like Philip. Ich bin in der oder in deren. So whenever there is anything written for female in terms of any title, or like any specific thing which defines the title or your profession, with female category we add extra in. For example, wie zum Beispiel Inder, that means Indian. Inderin, that also means Indian. But when Suresh would be saying, he would be saying Ich bin Inder. When I would be saying, I would be saying Ich bin Inderin.
मीन्स अगर कोई फेमिनिन बात बता रही होगी तो फिर तो हम यूज करेंगे इंडरिन, और
Right.
अगर वो मेल यूज कर रहा होगा तो फिर वो यूज करेगा इंडर.
Yes, Ich bin
Yes.
Inder. That means I am Indian. Then there Wohnort. That means your residence, your home. Wohnort, your place of your residence.
Ich wohne in Oman.
Yes. Ich wohne in Neu Delhi. And just say it. Ich wohne in. Where do you live? Ich wohne in.
Ich wohne in
Oman.
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 I don't know the
Angie forgot where she lives.
the
Okay.
pronunciation of Oman. No, maybe not Oman.
No, that is Oman only. Oman.
Oman
Right.
only. Yeah.
Now, Suresh, you also say it. Ich wohne in.
इश वोन इन करनाल.
Okay. The Adresse. The address. Meine Adresse ist. My address is, and then your address. So you can learn it till here. Meine Adresse ist.
माइना एड्रेस.
Address. Meine Adress. Adresse.
Mine.
Adresse
Adresse.
is
ईस्ट.
Alquer.
That is like house.
Algobra.
House. House here. That means house number.
House number 6, 7.
House number. House number.
Straße. That means street.
Street.
Straße.
Straße. Meine Adresse is Alquer.
And then accordingly you can mention.
Muscat.
Now
Avon.
their Beruf.
House number.
Their Beruf.
Profession. Your
Beruf.
profession. So ich
Beruf.
bin
Ich bin Krankenschwester.
Krankenschwesterin.
Please change the color. I don't think this the color. What do you write? Okay, now this is okay.
That is color coding so that you can see the difference.
Ich bin
So,
Ich bin.
bin
in
I am ich bin.
Projektleiter oder Projektleiterin. So,
Leiterin.
Projektleiter, that means project manager oder Projektleiterin. If somebody male is a project manager, he would say Projektleiter. If somebody female is a project manager, she would be saying Projektleiterin.
Leiterin.
So like we did here, for feminine, we add extra in. Similarly here, Projektleiter oder Projektleiterin. That means project manager.
For us, Andy, Krankenschwester, because male is Krankenpfleger.
Krankenschwester.
Wester.
Krankenschwester.
Okay.
The word nurse is short, but this word is long.
Yeah.
Krankenschwester. Schwester.
This word
Krankenschwester.
Yes.
Krankenschwester and Kranken. How to pronounce?
Krankenpfleger. That means male nurse.
Male nurse.
Krankenschwester here.
Pfleger. Schwester is easier than Pfleger.
Okay. Similarly here, Berater oder Beraterin. That means consultant.
Beraterin. Ich bin Krankenschwester.
Von Beruf. That means by profession I am a nurse. Ich bin Krankenschwester von Beruf.
I am female nurse by profession.
You don't have to mention male or female, just say Schwester. Or you can say Ich arbeite als Krankenschwester. Als as in as. I work as a nurse.
Ich arbeite als.
Ich arbeite als
Krankenschwester.
Krankenschwester.
Then die Sprache. Sprache means language.
Die Sprache. Die Sprache.
Die Sprache. English. Philippines.
So now this CH at times it would give k sound and at times it would give sh sound. There is no specific logic behind it why it's k at times and why it's sh at times. So this is something you will get to know by practice.
Sprache.
So die Sprache, that means language. Ich spreche, I speak.
Ma'am, please repeat the last words you are saying. What you said about ha or cha.
So I am saying this ch at times in the word it would give k sound and at times it would give sh sound. But that there is no specific rule that why it is the case. It's just the more you will learn, the more you'll get to know. Okay. So here, die Sprache, that is a noun which means language, and here Spreche,
that is a verb.
Sprechen, that is a verb. That means to say. Sprechen, and that is conjugated as a Spreche with ich. So when you say I speak these languages, you would say ich spreche, English, then Deutsch, and then another language which you speak.
Ich spreche.
Ich spreche Englisch, Philippines und ein wenig Deutsch.
Ein wenig Deutsch. Sehr schön, Rachel. Very nice. Ich spreche Englisch, Hindi or any other language which you speak, and then ein wenig Deutsch. Then das Hobby, your hobby, what you like to do in your free time. Meine Hobbys sind,
Sind.
my hobbies are, and then whatever your hobbies are, like kochen, that means to cook, tanzen, that means to dance, wandern, that means to roam around, spielen, that means to play, reisen, that means to travel, hiken, to hiking, to do the hiking, schreiben, that means to write, singen, that means to sing. So I'm starting with the Angie. Angie, you would be telling me about your hobbies. So minor hobbies sind either any of these or any other which is not there. You can tell me and then we'll write it here together.
Because I do not know what is the anyway. Meine Hobbys
Sind.
sind
Essen. Essen.
Okay. Essen, that's
ano yun?
Eating.
What
Yeah.
is yeah, okay. Not eating. Watching. What is watching?
Eat. Watching what?
What?
TV.
TV, yeah.
TV.
And sehen.
Fernsehen. Fernsehen.
Fernsehen.
And
Okay.
sehen.
Meine
Hobbies
Sind.
Essen
sind
und
Essen und Fernsehen.
Fernsehen.
Und Fernsehen.
Eating and
Fernsehen.
watching TV.
Meine Hobbys sind Essen und Fernsehen. Fernsehen.
Now, Rachel's turn. Rachel, was in your hobby? What are your hobbies?
meine Hobbys sind,
Angie's turn. Rachel's turn.
sorry,
Meine Hobbys sind
sind,
fotografieren, kochen und reisen.
Reisen. Okay, sehr schön. Now, Suresh, your turn. Was in your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
meine Hobby sind Koken, Tangen and Warden, Wandern.
Wandern. That means to roam around. Kochen, tanzen und wandern.
Wandern.
Yes. Okay. So this particular section, is it clear? How can you introduce yourself? Saying your name, your age, where you come from, where you live, what you do, and what you like to do. So now let's quickly proceed with the next section where we would turn this particular introduction in a like a conversation, like how you can ask the same question to other person. So let's say I am speaking with Angie, for example. I am saying here, wie heißen Sie? I am asking to Angie, wie heißen Sie? Or was ist Ihr Name? What is your name?
Ich heiße Angie und what is that? Und Sie?
Sie. Wie heißen Sie?
Wie heißen Sie?
So Angie would say her name and then would ask me the same question. I'm just highlighting the same here again. So wie heißen Sie? Angie would say, ich heiße Angie und Sie. I am Angie and you. What is your name? Or my name is Angie and yours. What is your name?
Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? Or wie? Was
Ihr
ist
Name.
Ihr Name? Was ist Ihr Name? Ich heiße Angie. Und Sie? Wie heißen Sie?
My name is Neha. Neha. a lot of background noise coming in.
Yeah.
Maybe if someone is not speaking, you can mute for some time.
Suresh, can you please mute yourself if that is coming from your end?
सॉरी मैम, एक्चुअली मेरा ब्लूटूथ खराब हो गया लगता है, आवाज नहीं आ रही प्रॉपर्ली, इसलिए मैं चुप हो गया थोड़ा सा.
That is why I'm saying आप mute कर लो. I think disturbance आ रही है बहुत.
अच्छा.
और अगर कुछ समझ में ना आए तो आप अनम्यूट करके पूछ लेना, कोई प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्लियर ना हो तो. ठीक है? So let's proceed further. Angie, this is clear, right? V hyphen
Yeah,
Z.
yes.
Can you,
Yeah,
okay,
it's clear.
somebody's name, and then you can say your name and ask the same question. Now, one thing, while here V means how, W question. These questions are called W questions. We, was, woher. So this V means how, and then was means what. At times in German, these two words can be used at each other's place. तो सुरेश, आप V का मतलब होता है how and was का मतलब होता है what, लेकिन कभी कभी ये दोनों एक दूसरे की जगह पे भी यूज हो जाते हैं, इसका कोई स्पेसिफिक रीजन नहीं है. So like here in this particular question, either you can ask V is Ihr Vorname, what is your first name, or you can say was ist Ihr Vorname, what is your first name. Both means same. So either you can use V or you can use was. Nachname means your surname, your last name. Vorname means your first name. So V is Ihr Vorname oder V is Ihr Nachname. So
Okay, got it.
mein Vorname ist Neha und mein Nachname ist Garg.
नहीं, नाक इज गुड. ठीक है.
Nachname.
नाक नाम.
So Suresh, let's start with you. Was ist Ihr Vorname und was ist Ihr Nachname? Say this.
अम्मा वरनामा ist सुरेश, नखनामा ist शर्मा.
Okay, mein Vorname. Rachel, your turn. Was ist Ihr Vorname und was ist Ihr Nachname? Rachel, can you please unmute yourself and say the answer?
Sorry. Mein
ist-
Vorname is Rachel und Nachname is Verbo.
Okay. Angie, your turn. Was ist Ihr Vorname und was ist Ihr Nachname?
Mein Vorname ist Angie und Nachname ist Kusit.
Okay, sehr schön. Und dann, wie alt sind Sie? That means, how old are you? That as we did here already, you can say your age, like how old are you? So this is the same. So if you have to ask the question, you would be saying, wie alt sind Sie? How old are you? Woher kommen Sie? Where do you come from? So you can say ich komme aus Indien oder ich komme aus
Yes.
Oman oder ich komme aus Philippines. So this is how you can answer and then ask the same question to other person. Like this one. Let's say I am speaking with Rachel. Like woher kommen Sie, Rachel? So she would be saying ich komme aus Philippines und Sie, woher kommen Sie? Then I would be saying ich komme aus Indien. So Angie and Suresh, can you phrase the conversation about this particular question with each other? Angie, can you ask the question to Suresh, and Suresh, you have to answer this.
Okay. Woher kommen Sie?
Herr Suresh.
Ich komme aus Indien und Sie, woher kommen Sie?
Angie, you have to answer now.
I have to answer. Where comment see? Ich komme aus Philippines.
Yes. Ich komme aus Philippines. Dann, was ist Ihre Rufnummer? Your telephone number.
Rufnummer.
Was oder wie? So as I said, we and was at many places can be used at each other's place. Was ist Ihre Rufnummer? What is your phone number?
Rufnummer.
Then
Meine Rufnummer ist.
meine Nummer ist and then ist.
Meine
Rufnummer. Und
Ihre and
was und ihre was it was is ihre Rufnummer.
Rufnummer. So here Z means you and ear means your.
Ear. Okay.
So let's say I am doing this conversation with Rachel. So Frau Rachel, was ist Ihre Rufnummer? And then you can tell me any random number using this particular phrase.
Meine Rufnummer ist 2, 3, 4, 5, 8,
Okay.
7.
Okay. And
Und
then
Ihre? Was Ihre Rufnummer?
Okay. Meine Rufnummer ist 7988643428. Then, wo wohnen Sie? Where do you live? So, Frau oder Herr, and then the surname. So, Suresh, when you are using Mr. or Miss with somebody, you address that person with the surname in a very formal conversation. So, since this is an informal conversation which we are having, like a semi-formal conversation, you can say. So here we can use Frau and Herr and somebody's first name. So let's say I am speaking with Angie. So it's not necessary that I would be using her surname. I can also say Frau Angie. That means Miss Angie. So Frau Angie, wo wohnen Sie? Where do you live?
Ich wohne in Oman. Und Sie? Wo wohnen Sie?
I would be saying Ich wohne in New Delhi. I live in New Delhi. Then, was sind Sie von Beruf? That means what you are by profession or what is your profession. So let's say I am asking Rachel this time. So Frau Rachel, was sind Sie von Beruf?
Ich bin Krankenschwester von Beruf. Und Sie? Was sind Sie von Beruf?
Okay, so ich bin Projektleiterin von Beruf oder ich bin
Lehrerin
von Beruf. So Lehrer means male teacher, Lehrerin means female teacher.
Female teacher.
And here, like it would be their Lehrer, but the Lehrerin. So that is a difference. Clear?
Klar.
Their Lehrer, the Lehrerin.
Okay.
So now, if we talk about the languages, let's say I am asking this to Suresh. When I have to ask about the languages you speak. So Suresh, Frau Suresh, Herr Suresh.
Herr Suresh.
Welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? Which languages do you speak? And you have to
Ich spreche English,
Hmm?
Hindi, and Punjabi. And Punjabi.
Punjabi. So that is not Punjabi, that would be Punjabi.
Punjabi.
So ich spreche English, Hindi, Punjabi und ein wenig Deutsch. A little bit German.
मैम रिपीट करना, येलो वाला जो आपका जो ये मार्किंग है.
Ein wenig oder ein bisschen.
Ein bisschen.
That means little bit, thoda thoda.
Ein bisschen.
Deutsch.
Deutsch.
And then you have to ask me same. Read this complete sentence.
Ich spreche English, Hindi and Punjabi in bisschen
Deutsch.
Deutsch and sie
Und.
und sie welche sprechen sie?
Welche Sprachen? Sprachen here, that means
Sprachen.
language. And then sprechen means to speak. Don't get confused between these two words. Sprachen, that means languages. Sprechen, that means to speak. Welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? So now I would be saying to Suresh, ich spreche English, Hindi, Punjabi, Haryanvi und Deutsch. So now again the question about hobbies. One more thing before we proceed further. This is a very basic rule with each of the language. Whenever there is any word starting with capital letter, that is a noun. And so any noun which we are writing, that has to start with a capital letter.
Yeah.
Similarly here. Sprachen. This is starting with capital letter, so that is a noun, which means language. And any verb, that has to be started with a small letter. So nouns starts with capital letter and verbs start with small letter. Okay. So now let's talk again about the hobbies. I'll ask the same question to all three of you and then we'll wrap up today's class. So, Frau Rachel, was sind Ihre Hobbys?
Meine Hobbys sind Fotografieren, Kochen und Reisen. Und Ihre? Was sind Ihre Hobbys?
Hobbies.
Hobbies.
Oh, meine Hobbys sind Kochen, Tanzen und Reisen. Okay, now Frau Angie, was sind Ihre Hobbys?
Who will answer first? Okay, I'll just because I don't. Meine Hobbys sind Kochen. I will just copy that because I forgot.
Okay, I'll scroll up. Don't worry, I'll scroll it up. Read from
Kochen.
here. This one.
Essen.
Fernsehen.
Okay.
Meine Hobbys sind Essen und Fernsehen.
Meine Hobbys sind Essen, Fernsehen und Fernsehen. Ja. Okay. Und Ihre? Was sind Ihre Hobbys?
Okay. Again, meine Hobbys sind Kochen, Tanzen.
Meine.
This is my answer. Okay. Now, Herr Suresh, was sind Ihre Hobbys?
meine Hobbys sind Kochen and sing.
Singen. Not singen, singen.
Singen. Singen.
Yes. So in German, this Z has the sound and
Z.
Z has the sound. So don't get confused. Z has the sound. That means like sight. That means time. That would be sight. Sight.
Sight.
And this
Sight.
S has the sound.
The.
Zingen. Not singen. Zingen.
जिंगन, ठीक है.
This is something you can note down as your note so that you can remember it. And then one more thing, there would be a lot of words which would have either IE or EI. Don't get confused with the pronunciation. So the trick here is whenever there is something with IE, the last alphabet which you have, the sound should be that. Wie zum Beispiel, for example, spielen and reisen. So spielen has IE, so that would have E sound. Reisen has EI, so that would have I sound. Spielen and then reisen.
मैम यहाँ पे Z की साउंड नहीं करेगा ये? S जो है.
Here. Reisen, the.
नहीं, ऊपर वाले वर्ड में.
Spielen.
Spielen, हाँ जो भी है ये.
Yes. So mostly it would be either sh or the, not sir. Sp. When there is sp, that is sh. Sp. Spielen and then reisen.
मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि अभी ये साउंड अलग क्यों कर रहा है? Z क्यों नहीं साउंड कर रहा है यहाँ पे ये S?
Because that is with P. So whenever there is SP, that would be shp.
अच्छा.
So when SP would come together, that would become shp, sh and p. So there is a whole list about the sounds that also we would be doing. So there is a lot of additional notes which you have to take care of while learning the language apart from grammar portion. Noted?
Spielen, reisen. Ein bisschen,
Vanish.
vanish.
Is it clear?
Color.
Okay. Any questions?
Klar. 9.
9. Keine Frage.
9. Keine Frage.
No,
Okay.
no question.
No question. 9
Keine Frage.
9 keine Frage.
Keine Frage.
So we would be having another class tomorrow, right, Rachel?
Yeah, around 4 p.m. Same time, no problem.
Okay. So Suresh,
Same time?
I'll also add to the WhatsApp group. Yes, same time. 5:30 Indian time.
5:30 Indian time.
Yep. Okay.
मैम क्या कहते हैं व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे क्या है मतलब?
I'll add you to the WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much, ma'am.
Danke
Thank
schön.
you.
Danke.
Danke.
Bitte.
Danke.